Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Confirm the car is OBD Roman 2 compliant, typically 1996 and newer vehicles. Locate the 16-pin OBD Roman 2 port, usually under the dash near the steering column. Inspect the port and the reader connector for debris or damage before connecting. Plug the code reader firmly into the port until it seats fully. Turn the vehicle ignition to on without starting the engine, or follow reader instructions. Allow the reader to power up and initialize for about 10 to 30 seconds. Select the read codes function on the reader and follow prompts. The reader will display stored and pending diagnostic trouble codes quickly. Note both the code like P0301 and the stored freeze frame data when available. Write down any codes and the brief descriptions shown on the screen. If your device supports live data, open that menu to watch sensor values in real time. Use live data to compare sensor readings, like RPM, fuel trims, and coolant temperature. For context, use the clear codes function only after repairs or to confirm an intermittent issue has returned. Remember, clearing codes resets I/M readiness monitors and may affect emissions testing status. If you clear codes, drive the vehicle through a full drive cycle before retesting for accurate readiness results. Verify I/M readiness and whether readiness monitors are complete before passing an emissions test. If codes return, research specific code, causes, and perform target.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.